Hello my darlings, this is Mel B. Welcome back. I'm talking to all my silver sisters today, and I'm wanting to share with you just how to get that rosy glow. No full glam, no full face. We're going to be able to face the day and conquer it with these 5 products and not let this silver hair make you feel old a day longer. So let's get started. So the first product we're going to be putting on today is this e.l.f. primer, and the primer we can wear alone. We don't have to put makeup on top of it. It's just going to fill in the pores. It's just going to give us a little bit of a matte finish and make our day look a little bit more flawless. Just smooths everything out, and this will just help with some of the oils, the pores. I don't have anything else on it this time, so just like you, say I'm waking up for the day and I'm putting on just a little bit of something to head out that door. So I'm going to put a little under my eyes. This is just product number 1. You want to prime your face. The second one I like to put on is eyebrows, because if you can put some eyebrows on, this is a quick, easy pen. We're not going to do a lot of anything. This is the NYX Snatch and Lift. And just like that, how it opens my eyes, it brings my eyes a little bit. It's like your eyes are the windows of the soul, and this is just the window frame around it. It just really helps to pop the eyes. Third thing I'm going to do is put into eyeliner. This is an Intense Ink Eyeliner by e.l.f. This is just like a big marker pen, so it's really nice. We're not going for big cat eyes, no wings. This is quick, easy out the door, so we're not going for wings. It's not heavily pigmented, it's not super black, so it's really good for a nice quick daytime. The next thing I'm going to put on is e.l.f. stick. It's called Monochromatic Multistick, and it's multi because we're going to put it on our lips, we're going to put it on our cheek, we're going to put it on eyes to give us a nice rosy glow. So I'm just going to put some on my lips. And I got the Luminous Berry. It's really the darkest one that they have, and I'm glad I went with the darker. Very luminous, it has shimmer in it. So now we're going to put it up on our cheeks. Go up, back here, up. And I'm just going to smooth this in with my fingertip. Side. Notice how I just bring it up around my hairline, because that helps give me a rosy glow. I want that feeling that there's a lot of circulation in my face. You can bring it across your nose if you want, and there, look at that rosy feeling. And then I'm going to put some on my eye. So this is a 3-in-1. It's not full makeup. It's not scary to use. And then what I'm going to do is just spread it up to my brow bone like that. Bring some of that color up. You could use some brushes and get it out of the tube that way. And there we go, a bit of color above our eye. Some shimmer and rosy. And now we just need some eyelashes. So this is Maybelline SkyHigh. And then we're just going to put some lashes on. My thing is if I have mascara on and some lip gloss, I can face the day. I hear too many silver sisters say, that just makes me look my hair makes me look so old. What I have found, ladies, is that when your hair is gray, if your face looks gray, it just makes you disappear. And so I suggest just doing minimal. You don't have to go into buying a lot of makeup. You don't have to put on a lot of makeup to look fresh and younger. There's some of us sisters that just don't want to put on the full glam and do all the products. A little bit of color, some lashes. I'm going to put a little bit more on this side. And there you go, my silver sisters. You can look glowing, you can look fresh, you can brighten your face, you can brighten your eyes. I'm going to do right here just a before and after. So you can see that I went from a gray, lifeless look in my eyes to bright, clear, twinkly. It just makes your eyes, your lips, your face just looks glowy, hydrated, and much more youthful. I'm going to add one more thing, and this is just for the extra bam if you want to have a little bit more glow. And what it does is it's kind of clear with a bit of shimmer in it. And when you put it right here on the front and the middle, see how that luminescence just popped up. So go out there and be the light out there today, my silver sisters. Your hair glows, why shouldn't your face? Don't let your silver hair make you think you look older. The thing we need to do is just add that little bit of glow, that little bit of pop, and bring your face forward and light to the world. Hey, my silver sisters, that's 5 products to get you out the door looking glowy and rosy and not feeling old in your silver hair, but feeling great. Remember, age is just a number. It does not define you. So if this works for me, I hope it'll work for you too. Join me again next time. Subscribe, ring the bell, and give me a thumbs up. And you all, hope you have a wonderful day. Tot ziens. Doei.